So, one of the things that we have to understand is this idea that because we're bringing someone dalil, that they have to leave off what it is that they understand to go with what we say. The average individual is, or I should say the average adult, is going to be smart enough to understand that, especially if they get what they're getting from someone that they believe to be a sheikh, an Islamic teacher, or even a scholar, they're not going to leave off what they know that they said because you bring a dalil and because of your understanding of that dalil. It's not even rational that you believe that this is going to happen. Yes, we can tell them Sheikh Falan said and Sheikh Alan said, that's great. But what the average individual is going to do is just what you do. You go the sheikh that you trust, their understanding, because you know that the majority of us aren't equipped to be able to make these decisions. So just as we're not going to leave off what we believe that the ulama are telling us because of someone else's understanding, we can't believe that it is feasible that someone's going to leave off what they know that the shuyukh are telling them because of our understanding.